Hey there, it's me again. I hope you all are doing well. So, since we launched, a few users told me that they wanted a proper tutorial of how to connect your folder with this platform and then how to save your recordings in it and then how to upload those recordings in the Google Drive. So, yeah, here I am. So, first of all, the recording part is pretty simple as you can connect your screen from here, your camera from here, mic, and then select your desired background from here and then click this start recording button and you are done for it, right? Now, how to connect your folder? So, to connect your folder, you are seeing this history button. So, as soon as you click on it, this side panel appears, and here you are seeing connect a folder to track your recordings on this PC, and you select your workspace folder from here. So, as soon as you click on it, this this would appear, and you connect any of the folder that you want, and I am selecting this folder. So, as soon as I click on it, all of the recordings that I have done earlier would appear here, right? So now the connection of the folder part is also done. Now how to upload these videos in the Google Drive? So for that you need to connect your Google account from here as you are seeing this connect button. So as soon as you click on it, this pop-up would appear and I am connecting my Google account. So now my Google account is connected, right? Now to upload any video, I just need to click on this cloud icon. So there are two types of icon. First says this link icon, it means that the video is already uploaded, that I've done it earlier, and you are seeing its link, and as soon as you click on that, the video would appear here, right? Yeah. And to upload this video, I just need to click on this cloud button. So as you are seeing that it is saying uploading, and as soon as it gets uploaded, I will get its link like this. So yeah, it is uploaded. You are getting this toasted, the cloud sync success. And as soon as you click on this link, this video would appear here. And Google scans it and takes 2 to 3 minutes to scan it for viruses and process the video. And to share this video, you can just click on the share button and copy the link and give it to anyone that you like to, like you do it on Loom or Tella. So yeah, it is this simple, and you just need to click on the cloud icon after connecting your Google account, and you can upload any video you want and share it with anyone you want, right? So yeah, that's all from my side. Let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you very much.